So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at how you can fix the issue of not being able to make outgoing calls on your Samsung device. So just this morning I was having a discussion with a friend who seemed to face a similar issue, and then researching on the net, I got to know of certain troubleshooting measures that you can take. So I want to tell you all those things. So without any ado, let's begin. Now here you can see that I have full signals and everything. However, despite having full signals, my friend was not able to make calls. However, a few sanity checks that I want you to check is head towards your connection, head to SIM card manager, check whether the SIM is active or not. In certain cases, the SIM may not be active. So if that's the case, you need to turn them on. So in case it's like this, just turn the SIM on so that the SIM is now active. Well, not just this, I also want you to check whether the networks have been properly assigned. You will see that the network sometimes is not properly assigned, so you need to assign the proper network so that the SIM is then able to use that network for making calls. Sometimes turning on voice over LTE may make it a bit difficult in case there is not available network, so you may want to turn this off just in case. Also, one of the most important things that I want to you now do is just head towards your settings, go to general management, and here click on reset network settings, and then for each of the SIMs, select each of the SIMs from here and then click on reset settings. Obviously do this for the SIM that you are having problems with. Once the net settings have been reset, it kind of gives your phone a free life, and many a times you will see just doing this step will fix this. Once the network settings have been reset, what you can do is you can just turn off your phone and then restart. So just rebooting the phone can also help. Well, once you have rebooted your phone and everything, you will see that this issue should have sorted. However, in case the issue doesn't still sort, what I will advise is head towards your settings, go to apps, inside apps, head towards the phone app. So head towards the phone app. Inside the phone app, what you can do is go to storage and then clear the cache and then also clear the data. Don't worry, none of your contacts will go or other things like that, but you should be able to make calls now. If it's a Samsung device, I will also advise you to go to the SIM toolkit, and here, what you can again do is force stop it first and then maybe clear the cache and clear the data. Then again, please don't worry, you will not lose any of your SIM contacts. Well, once this has been done, this is also the right time for maybe just taking out your SIM, blowing it once and then reinserting it. Well, some of the people have also said simply turning on the aeroplane mode for a few moments, letting all signals go out and then just be holding there for maybe a second or two and then again turning it off. Doing this also gives the cell phone a fresh life, and you may try checking this as well. Also, it's important that you turn off your Bluetooth. So in case it's turned on, just turn it off, because sometimes turning on Bluetooth and NFC can create certain network issues. So just turn off your Bluetooth, and also in case you have NFC, not all devices have this, so you can just turn this off as well and you should be good to go. Now, having full networks and signals, you can still go ahead and now make calls. Well, if all of this fails, I will request you to go ahead and do a factory reset, but that should be the last resort. You can also try calling to your carrier, but I think doing all of the steps, you should already be in a position wherein you can make your calls. One last small little tip: when you are dialing the number, just try and putting in the area code. For example, if it's India, I will do +91, and I can also insert 0 because I'm already in India. Just changing in the prefix can really help. I have experienced that myself. Well, that's all for now. So guys, I hope that really helps you solve your outgoing calls not working. And if it does, kindly subscribe to this channel and please share this work with your friends, because it really means a lot to me. Hopefully I come out with more tutorials which can help solve your issues. Please also let me know of the issues that you face with your smartphone in the comment section. I should be more than happy to help. Please join our Facebook page, our Twitter page, our LinkedIn pages and other things. That's all for now. God bless. Goodbye.